Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix Apple ID terms and conditions not accepting problem on iPhone or iPad. So guys, if you are using any iOS device and when you want to make agree with Apple media terms and conditions and not be able to accept this terms and condition, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, there are multiple factors are include in this problem. So guys, first of all is your internet connection. So guys, first of all you have to go back, and guys now you need to check for a strong internet connection. If you are connected with weak internet connection, simply you have to change your internet. And the second option is you have to click on general and you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back. And guys, another way is you have to click on language and region, and you need to make sure that you have select your own region according to your country. And another way is you have to go back and set your date and time on automatically. And guys, simply you have to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back and guys check that your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to log out your Apple ID from here. Simply you have to open your settings here, click on your Apple ID, and you have to sign out your Apple ID. And after sign out, you need to sign in again. And guys, when you have signed in again, you will be able to accept the terms and conditions of your Apple ID. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you need to change your Apple ID or create a new Apple ID. And guys, after doing all these methods, your problem will be fixed. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix this problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.